Welcome to a brief demonstration of IBM SPSS Categories. The IBM SPSS Categories add-on modules procedures use optimal scaling to analyze data that are difficult or impossible for standard statistical procedures to analyze. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll focus on correspondence analysis. The correspondence analysis procedure can be used to analyze either the differences between categories of a variable or the differences between variables themselves. In this example, you'll use data pertaining to perceived images of 6 iced coffee brands. Here, we'll focus on how the attributes are related to each other and how the brands are related to each other. The setup of the data requires that the cases be weighed by the variable frequency. To do this, from the menus, choose Data, and then Weight Cases. Weight cases by frequency, and click OK. To obtain an initial solution in 5 dimensions with principal normalization, from the menus choose Analyze, then Dimension Reduction, and Correspondence Analysis. We'll select Image as the row variable, and we need to define that range. 1 as the minimum value, and 23 as the maximum value. We'll go ahead and click Update and Continue. Then we'll select Brand as the column variable. And once again, we need to define the range here. 1 will be the minimum value, and 6 will be the maximum value. Once again, we'll click Update and Continue. Next, we want to model and choose a normalization method, selecting Principal and then Continue. Then we want to set some S-plots. And in this case, we'll be looking at row points and column points. Continue, and then OK. And what's generated in the output are several tables and graphs. First, in the summary table, the inertia per dimension shows the decomposition of the total inertia along each dimension. Next, the row points overview shows the contributions of the row points to the inertia of the dimensions, and the contributions of the dimensions to the inertia of the row points. And then the column points overview displays the contributions involving the column points. And now we'll move on to the graphs. The row point plots show that fresh and ugly are both very close to the origin, indicating that they differ little from the average row profile. 3 general classifications emerge. Located in the upper left of the plot, tough, men, and working are all similar to each other. The lower left contains sweet, fattening, children, and premium. In contrast, healthy, low-fat, nutritious, and new cluster on the right side of the plot. Then, in the column points, you'll notice that all the brands are far from the origin, so no brand is similar to the overall centroid. This has been a brief demonstration of one of the capabilities within IBM SPSS Categories. To find out more, please contact an IBM sales representative or visit our website.